In today's video, we're going to talk about the Plume Network and how to farm their next airdrop the right way, using the tools and systems they've already made public. Plume has just launched its mainnet, and while the initial airdrop to testnet users already happened, a new airdrop campaign is currently active. The difference? Plume is actually being transparent about the process. They've created a dashboard with missions, a point system, tiers, and badges, so you always know where you stand. What is Plume Network? Plume is a modular Layer 1 blockchain focused on real-world assets, RWAs, and DeFi. It's designed for things like RWA derivatives, lending and borrowing, staking yield farming. Think of it as the go-to chain for institutional-grade RWA finance, but built for crypto-native users. How to start farming the airdrop? First, go to the official Plume portal, link in description, and connect your wallet. If you were part of the testnet, you might already have points to claim. From your profile, you'll see your Sky Society tier, total points, and available missions to complete. Your Sky Society tier shows how deep you've gone into the ecosystem. There are 8 tiers, and moving up increases your airdrop potential. The badge system is also important. There are over 30 badges to collect, each tied to specific actions like swap staking, using dApps. Earning badges is cheap and simple. Most cost just a few cents to complete. Both tiers and badges add to your overall point score, which is likely the biggest factor for eligibility. Bridge to Plume. Use the official bridge to transfer assets from other chains. This is usually one of the first missions to complete. Spin the wheel. Daily spin. You get 1 spin per day. You can win more Plume points. Raffle tickets for prizes like Vision Pro, Nintendo Switch 2, and even a Tesla. Or sometimes, nothing. Stake your Plume. Choose a validator, stake your tokens, and remember, unstaking takes 21 days. Staking boosts your points and shows long-term alignment with the project. Complete missions. Go to the Level Up section to find all available tasks. These range from using dApps to testing features. Engage on Discord. Plume rewards active community members with roles and incentives, which may influence your airdrop allocation. Tip: few people do this, so it's a great way to stand out. One important thing: Plume uses a dynamic scoring model. That means the value of your actions changes over time. Some days, many small transactions are better. Other days, a few large ones win. The best strategy? Diversify your interactions. Try different dApps, different amounts, and spread out your activity. The Plume Airdrop is one of the clearest and easiest campaigns in Web3 right now, with real structure, transparent progress, and low cost of entry. If you're looking for a serious farming opportunity that doesn't require guessing, this is it. Start interacting today, stay consistent, and maximize your points. The airdrop is still wide open, but the early users will always have the advantage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow our blog for more airdrop guides and alpha drops.